Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. What you're looking at here is the P-51 Mustang House of Balsa kit. Actually, there was an actual this type of aircraft was all these plans were also available in Model Airplane magazine or RCM magazine back in the 19 early 1990s, late 1980s. Mine came from an RCM magazine actually, or I think Model Airplane News, and I've had my plans for a very, very long time. So this is the actual plane built up. Instead of doing the gas motor, I prompted for electric motor, and it does balance out pretty well. No, it's a little nose heavy, uh, with the balancing out. So a little weight needs to go to the tail, but it's best that you're looking at this screen here. You can actually see the plane's pretty much all built up. I had to cut off these areas here because I needed to do some wiring and fix the motor as best I could. It's more of an up position if I were to really look at it. So the plane will probably pitch up the minute, which I want it to pitch up, especially at full throttle. Um, is it pitched to the right? Yeah, it's pitched up and over to the right a little bit, so it counterbalances that torque. So it is pretty good as it is right now. Um, I have to do more trimming to it. I haven't touched this plane in about a year, and there's a couple of things that the reason I haven't touched it. I still have to finish doing that side. I have to balance the plane out. That's one. There was a servo in here at one point, and I can't remember if I still have it in here. I gotta cut that area out. So we're gonna cut this part out so I can get to the inside guts of it and take the wing off so y'all can see what's going on inside here. I remember distinctively, but I can't remember for sure if I took the receiver out. It has a plastic bolt, so it's easy to unscrew. It's been a while since I took this off, so it may be stuck. Yeah, it is a little stuck on here because, like I said, it's been on here for a while. I wonder when I read, I did. Sorry, I'm tilting the plane around and you're seeing it in the camera. I'm looking here and I completely forgot that I added Monaco to it and it actually glued it together. So yeah, this one has an ASX and an AS3X, which is also gyroscopic. So this one's ready to go. But like I said again, I need to balance it out, make sure it's well balanced before it can go in the air. The plane is very light, being built by balsa wood. Now, this plane was built with the intention of using it as a dog fighter. There have been a couple guys at the club that have been interested in doing dog fighting, and it would be a dog fighting situation with a streamer attached to it. But I do need to get this plane up in the air and do a first flight on it. And I know many of you have asked what's going on with the Mustang, what has gone on with the Mustang, and some of you have even left me comments and sent me emails, which I rightfully so. When you're like me and build a lot of different planes, this is not the only plane I have that's a dog fighter. Um, I also have a Japanese Zero and a BF 109, which I flew the BF-109 and I crashed it on the first flight because somebody said that maybe I had the wrong prop, and then uh, the Japanese Zero literally crashed on takeoff. So I've been hesitant to fly this plane. Um, so hesitant, hesitanted, rightfully so. Again, I gotta clean up this area here. I've got to put some like some flashing in here so I can close up the gaps. And I would like to paint the canopy to make it look like a Mustang. So it is a D model, representative of a certain color scheme. And again, I have to kind of close this area up here and just finish it up, and also put the muffler. I took the muffler off. I can't remember where the heck I put it. Like I said, I haven't touched this plane in literally a year and a half almost. So yeah, I guess I'll have to get this one up in the air and get you guys so you guys can see it, and see how well it performs. I mean, everything is straight and narrow on the plane, and I think it would be a great plane to fly. Um, since I've learned so much in gas powered planes, I mean, sorry, not in gas powered. I've learned so much with the jets. I can fly a fast plane, so I just need to get my confidence built up and fly this plane. So stay tuned. It will. I'm gonna finish doing a couple more things on this plane specifically, and we will get this plane in the air this summer. I guarantee it. Okay. So stay tuned, guys. More to come. Model Man Frank out.